Just real quick, just a quick recap on how the season has gone so far. So here's 6 weeks into the 2023-2024 bowling season. You can see I'm averaging 204. Let's go back to a season where I averaged 221, and let's see where I was through 6 weeks. And you can see I'm right there. And wait a minute, that says 204. Results for 6 of 6. You can see I have 18 games. The same thing so far this season. Now, let's look to see where I was at the end of the season. And you can see on the league standing sheets at the end of the season, that's where I stood. So, that's what happened that season. Let's go take a look back and see what happened at the previous season. So, let's see where I was through say week 4 of that year. So we want to look right here. Yeah, that's where I was through 4 weeks. And then let's take a look at through 5 weeks. Let's see where I ended up. So through 5 weeks, there I am right there. Let's see where I ended up at the end. And that's where I ended up at the end of the season. So here's the thing. Let's not get wrapped up in where people are at in mid-October.